Sabbat X12 Pro Dancer na edition, or yung design niya is dancer. Okay, as we open the box, we gonna receive this box na parang meron siyang inline sa red middle part, meron siyang red middle part, but it's just the design. Okay, and then when I open this box, there's the manual, and there is the other kinds of Sabbat X12 Pro. There's the procedure manual, and then the Chinese version of it. Okay, and this is the box, another box inside a box. Okay, what's inside the small box is a what's this, parang ear holder or something, na parang if ever gusto mong mag-fit or mag-tighten sa ears mo, ito. And then another one, the pouch. Okay, pouch, nice texture. Okay, parang water resistant siya, I'm not sure. Then the type C. Okay, type C, I don't know how many inches yung length ng wire niya. Okay, this is the unit. Here's the main unit. Not the main unit, but the console box, or the charging box of the Sabbat. Okay, let's insert. This is the right part. Yeah, right. Okay, again, this is not rubberized. Okay, this is not rubberized. Okay, this is not rubberized. Okay, here's the design. Okay, let's try to put it on the right. Okay, and then this is the left one. Okay, you can see the label here kung saan siya, left or right. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, see, and now it's charging. Color green siya. Okay, ano ba yung color green? Let's see sa manual. Okay, indicator is the green here. Light indicator, I'm not sure is the green one. Here, charge LED light. Green is more than 70%, orange is less than, and then red is below 20%. Okay, the charging time is 4 hours. Okay, call play is 6 hours, and then standby mode or naka-standby na siya, hindi siya kumangit, 150 hours. And then earbuds when charging, the light is white on, fully charged is white is off. Charging is about 1 hour. Okay, okay, that's it. How to connect. Okay, the compatibilities is iPhone and iOS and Android. Okay, okay, how to use the function buttons of the earplugs. Short press is pause, play, answer, or hang up. Long press 2 seconds is both wake up Siri or power on. Long press is power off. Double click is previous song. 3 clicks volume. Okay, 3 clicks right is right. Okay, sa left okay, left na part is if 3 clicks volume down, double click is previous song, double click sa right naman is next song, and then 3 clicks is volume up. Okay, pairing connection. There's an indicator light. Okay, wait lang okay. Here we go. There's an indicator light. Okay, indicator light. This is the indicator light. Okay, so sabi dito, open phone, iPhone, Bluetooth, search Sabbat Pro, connect, click. Okay, use Sabbat earphone again. And that's it. It's just simple. Okay, then when I get this unit, I have this one silicone pouch for my box. So it's called the charging box. Yeah, charging box. Silicone charging box. Okay, I got this from Lazada around 1.7 because nag-sale sila, and then I got the opportunity 1.7, and then I received the unit 7 days after I purchased the item. So this is it. Ito lang yung nasa box ni Sabbat. And then I will try to have a video, sample video or feedback about this product I purchased. Okay, thank you for watching my short vlog about what I had purchased today and what I received today. So let's wait for another video. Okay, please like and subscribe for my channel for other videos about this one, and then also please hit the notification bell, and then keep safe everyone. Have a vaccine.